I will be showing you how you can delete your Facebook business page in this video permanently. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. It keeps us creating more and more videos for viewers like you. Let's get started with the video tutorial. To begin deleting Facebook business page, we have to click this Settings tab on the left side of the page. Next, we need to scroll to the bottom of the page and begin deletion of the Facebook page. When we delete the page, it will immediately be unpublished. No Facebook users can view it anymore. We can restore the deleted page within 14 days of the deletion process, after which it will be deleted forever from Facebook. Within the next 14 days, we can republish the Facebook page again, and the page will be live online for Facebook users to visit our page and engage with us on our Facebook business page. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. Do not forget to like, comment, share or subscribe to my channel to get updates when we add new content.